good, guys? What's good, everybody? Today I'll be teaching you guys three market structure. One will be the how to identify three market structure. For example, we have uptrend. Also we have downtrend, and we have consolidation. So this is the three ways the market move, guys. So these are the three ways the market moves. So if we do want to identify how market moves, this is an easy way to know how the market moves. The market moves in three different directions: uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation, guys. So I'll be breaking down each part of how the market move. But firstly, let's go back and tell you guys how that works, right? For example, if I want to identify a uptrend, so for example, let's start off the uptrend. What I'm gonna do is that let me change it real quick. So to identify how the market move in a uptrend, right? Uptrend means when the market is going up, right? So what I'm gonna do is, if the market is doing creating a higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, and lower low, and higher high, right? This is easy to see that this is going up, right, guys? You could easily see this as the uptrend. That means the market is going up, right? Easy as ABC, right? And now this we identified that we agree that this is an uptrend. Now I'm gonna walk you guys through how to identify a downtrend in the market. For example, downtrend could be something like this, right? This look get taken, we go back up and we go down, we go up, down. You go see this is like a step coming down, right, guys? So this could be a downtrend in the market. So I hope we all agree on that, that this could be a downtrend. So right, if you have to choose which one is going down, this one or this one, you're gonna choose this one, right? So this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend in the market, right? So now after downtrend, the last one is identifying what consolidation is, right? Consolidation, which is when market moves sideways. Consolidation. So for me, I avoid trading consolidation most of the time. So how do you identify consolidation? Consolidation meaning market is moving sideways, right? So look, this would be a great example of consolidation. Like you say, we're not going nowhere. You just back and forth, right? Back and forth. You can see market is not going nowhere. We're just moving back and forth. So these are the three ways market moves. We have the uptrend when the market go up but doesn't take out this low and we just break another high. We have this low, didn't take out this low, and we just go up again, right? As you can see, same pattern, uptrend. And also we have a downtrend, which is here. As you can see, when the market didn't break this high, look, this I didn't break this one, but we continue breaking lower. And you can see consolidation here when market keep going sideways, side by side, guys, right? So this is the easy way to identify market trends and once you get in the chart. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video and show you guys all this in the chart in itself.